Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by signing into iCloud and confirming iCloud Drive is enabled on the device you're exporting from. This lets files sync. Next, check storage. If iCloud or your destination lacks space, free or buy additional GB now so transfers don't fail. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and plug devices into power. Start moving a small test folder first to validate settings and permissions so the big transfer won't be interrupted. Now you'll perform the core transfer. On a Mac, use Finder's iCloud Drive folder to drag files to local or external storage. On Windows, use iCloud for Windows or iCloud. Com to download selected folders. For iPhone or iPad, open the Files app and move items to On My iPhone or export to another cloud. When moving lots of data, split content into smaller folders to avoid timeouts. Make sure file names and folder structures remain consistent, so apps keep references intact. Finish by verifying that every file and folder transferred. Compare counts, sizes, and open a few key files to confirm integrity. Then re-enable any app-specific iCloud syncs, and if you move to a new Apple ID or device, sign out and back in to refresh permissions. If something went wrong, try the one quickest fix. Repeat the transfer in smaller batches over a stable connection. Also clear caches, restart devices, and check iCloud status. This resolves most intermittent errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.